Mikey. You like it in the bathtub, huh, baby? Okay. Oh, my cute baby. My cute kitty. That's so funny. Hi, everybody. Mikey Marie and I are doing fine. Emily and Squia are doing good, too. And hanging out in the bathroom. I'm going to go lay down. The procedure went fine. Thank you all very much for your prayers. God bless you all, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Mikey, no, you. This is too funny. Come here, Micah. Come here, Micah. There, Micah's got the sock now. Jay's taking it away from her. He wants both. Aww. Aww. Good babies. Good babies. There's for you, honey. There's for you. There's for you. You play with yours. Let her have hers.
Oh, look. She's found something else to do.
Too funny. Too funny. Hi, baby. Hi, honey. There she goes. Back on the shoelace.